up, dudes and dudettes? Welcome back to my channel. Go Spice and all things Kiki. It's me, less Kiki. And today we are going to make 3 delicious, scrumptious, creamy, oh god, amazing milkshakes. Yes, we're going to make simple milkshakes that you can make at home without using a blender. It's so simple, literally 5-minute recipes. We're going to make 3 milkshakes, which is the cookies and cream milkshake. We're going to make the classic chocolate milkshake, and we're going to make the red velvet milkshake. And without further talking, let's get on to the video.
Come a little closer cause you looking thirsty. I'ma make it better, sip it like a Slurpee. Snow cone chili, get it free like Willy. In the jeans like Billy, you be popping like a wheelie. Even in the sun, you know I keep it icy. You could take a lick, but it's too cold to bite me. Brr, frozen, you're the one been chosen. Play the part like Moses, keep it fresh like roses. It looks so good, yeah, it looks so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Cold as with a kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so he call me ice cream. You could double dip, cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. I know that my heart could be so cold, so damn but I'm sweet for you, can put me in a cold. You're the only touch, yeah, that get me melting. He's my favorite flavor, always gonna pick him. You're the cherry piece, just stay on top of me, so I can't see nobody else for me, no. Get it, flip it, scoop it, do like that, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like it, love it, lick it, do like la la la, oh yeah. Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Cold as with a kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so he call me ice cream. You could double dip, cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. 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 It looks so good, yeah, it looks so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Cold as with a kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't. Damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't. Damned if we give in what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started. In that hallway, we couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her? I have to sleep in the bed I made. I don't sleep much at all these days. Cause you always pick me up and let me down. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. Now you always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want. Woke up in your new apartment in your twin-sized bed. Coffee starting, don't remember much. All I know is that you talk too much. Time to go. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. You've got those big blue eyes, drive me crazy, make me fantasize about you, baby. And you smell so sweet, like fresh picked daisies. Call me Dahmer, 'cause your heart's so tasty. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. And I watched you break like glass you shattered. I said it's my mistake, I make things harder. So I tried my best to shut my mouth, but all the thoughts I hid dug their way out. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. Said you can't trust me, I said it's fine, because I'm not happy till I tell a lie. Now my best.
Yum, yum, yum. I absolutely loved all the milkshakes. They were so delicious, they were so creamy and so crunchy and so refreshing for this heat that has been in Nairobi and in Kenya in general. My personal favorite was the Oreo milkshake, the cookies and cream milkshake. I loved it. I love the creams, I love the Oreos, I love the what is it called, their chocolate syrup. It was just, for me, it was heavenly. I would love to know what is your favorite milkshake, and for this and more videos I post fortnightly. Like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to be kind to each other. Bye.